Hey guys, so I just wanted to do this little intermission here for the video because in the last noise update video I didn't finish floor 1, like blood sauce and ancient cheese, so I went and did those on camera and I'll show you the clips there, but I didn't want to make like a whole new video of those because nothing really important happens, but like here's the highlights basically. So here's a new epic title card. We also got some new mechanics and stuff. That was pretty much it for Ancient Cheese. We also got a pretty cool new animation for when Noise burns his ass. Also, nearly avoiding death. That was pretty much it for Blood Sauce. Also having a little friendly conflict.
Where's the A?
Miles, you're not being in the video. I swear to God. Well, that was basically everything major that happened. But now going on to the real video. See you there. See you there. What the hell's that line? It was goofy as hell. Alright, hey guys. We're here.
Shut up.
After that. Yeah, so let's go into the next floor. Oh, shoot. Oh,
Where's the elevator?
I guess this is different.
I'm pretty sure you all know what you came here for.
Kill him! I love fun.
If my manager is assaulting me one more
I'm
time,
about to
I'll be assaulting him.
get more.
Trophy.
Ah, yes.
The
We've
meat.
arrived at the shrine.
National Geographic.
Yeah! Oh my God! Damn! Damn! Bro, look at the TV screen! Ugh. You throw him like a boomerang?
Just throw him.
Oh, that is.
No, bro's dead.
The potato. No.
And then that is
Be cooked up. Well,
Rocket,
I want
KFC. Oh, yes.
Bam, bam, bam.
KFC.
Nah,
I want
bro,
some
you
KFC
you
with
did
that
not just
order.
call Mort KFC. I prohibit
actually
you.
do love me some Popeyes. I'm not gonna
Whoa,
hold you.
hold on. Whoa,
Kinda knows that for hugs and kisses.
big dumb weenie. Oh hell no! Take that,
That, mister.
you stupid.
Whoa.
Okay. Oh, sh.
Hold on.
You can time with this. Wait. Does that mean? Man, what the? Yo!
Get around town.
Yo! Alright, let's do.
Oregano Desert.
Oh my God!
You got
crap.
-2 views.
Yeah! Oh my God! Jesus!
No, spit it out.
You can't spit. You already ate it, you idiot.
Hey, bro, but like, look at it though.
He's very
I
slippery.
do not eat that. Scrumptious.
Oh, I just realized the TV screen, bro.
Now I saw this guy. Yeah, a Burger King pizza.
I'm sorry, bro. What?
Ew.
A Burger
It's
King.
funny because my dad actually got Burger King, but like only for himself. I didn't have any, so. Because I was on the toilet taking.
Steals food.
I was on the toilet releasing.
Yo, nah, keep this in.
Why?
Releasing what?
Shit. Okay, that guy literally jumped into me. That is not my
He
fault.
literally jumped into me.
Can you just shut up?
Look at how close you are. Look at how close to perfection you are. You
Ain't no air in
nothing
here.
I couldn't do it. I'm sorry.
Crumbling tower pizza.
Oh my God. You are 5 points! 5 points away from perfection!
Cry me a river.
Come, go to noise up.
Oh my God, he's literally surfing on them. That is so
Skateboarding.
disrespectful.
Well,
No!
he actually also did, so I mean.
Why did he eat the wall? Let's eat the wall.
Oh my god.
Look at Pepito.
He's so sick. Wait, what?
Look.
Where?
Screen.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my!
Be there, show
Ali
your face
G.
again.
It's the man that met the legend.
Oh my god,
What do
this
you ho-
stupid John.
What?
No.
Okay, now they're just
They got
spawn
this-
killing. And that's
I'm
not
asking
very
if
nice.
They
it's
got
called by
this-
John, and John.
Man got the back shots, bro.
I'm just gonna jump by the 3 amigos.
Wait, no I don't.
You stupid monkey. No,
I'm
you
dead.
can't say that.
Alright, so now I can
You
go.
stupid Indian. And bad at math, so I'm not Asian. He's the light in my darkness.
Of course I need the.
What is your problem?
Chef task!
Oh dude,
Is he just standing there?
I prefer an
Acceptable.
SRP.
Bro, just buy the boss gate.
No.
Hey.
What's stopping you?
Hey. Should I play my favorite song?
No. 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 Oh my god. Dude, he's a sausage.
Buy this guy that one Jujutsu Kaisen game that he said was bad.
I just guys in like Curse Clash, but it's
No!
$80. No!
You lost.
I will not let you. Yes.
Man, how to lock in?
You like said that like your dad got like Burger King, but you didn't get it. Bro, just steal it. Like
Bro, I was on the.
snatch that.
I was on the toilet.
Get out
Great.
and steal it.
Yes sir is kind of crazy.
Yes
It's kinda-
sir.
Like, kind of crazy. Like, it's crazy on a Tuesday.
Yes sir, yes. Commander at. Bro.
No, I missed the topping! No!
Someone, I suck
Got the noise out for hugs and kisses.
at walking. Does he actually get hugs and kisses? Let me be the noise!
Wet as hell.
Let me be the noise!
Nah, you're crazy for that.
Someone gives the noise a gun. So
Why
does he
did
just
you
fight?
got bombs?
Does he fight noise out at the noise stage or something?
I don't know. I wonder if he fights Pepino. No, that would be cool if he fought Pepino. Oh my god, this is,
Oh,
this
That
actually.
would be kind of cool.
This
It'd be
actually
cool if he fought me.
you are not
It
that
would
guy,
not.
bro.
I'm sorry.
He's not a boss. Guys, Aiden S boss.
You stupid grandma! Actually, shut your mouth. Whoa.
Sir, yes, sir.
First try
Wow.
would be kind of crazy.
Look who
Stop.
got carrot.
You're not.
Stop,
Stop.
Karen.
Whoa! Stop contradicting me!
Oh my. Okay. That was close.
Man's plane is getting destroyed, bro. Hold up. Can you work now? Cry me.
Oh,
Cry,
what?
Cry me.
I didn't click anything.
I
Just
did not
shot
click
him.
enough.
Damn.
No
Shit.
honor, bro.
He's
Damn.
dead, bro. Oh,
Yeah.
It'd be
What
kinda
the?
crazy.
Damn.
Yo, what?
God,
Bro, shit.
is pissed at you.
My bad, bro. Damn. Damn. Yeah, I have to redo that one.
It's got a D to the fit. Pause.
Yeah.
I got 12-bit guys and 12-bit guys.
Nice.
Last time up, we got 20-bit guys.
I guess that's.
Well, that wasn't very swell. Go.
I guess we should end the video here, right? We did like basically all of. Yeah, we did all of floor 2. So
If you guys want to see floor numero 3. So, if you want to see some more epic pizza tower content, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you later.
Don't like and subscribe.